Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I don't even know what day it is, June 11th. You know what? Kind of a really weird, odd day. Market holds up, volume kind of light. Russell up a little. Actually, they're almost up the same. Three handles on both, the SPY and the Russell. Gold up a little. We had sort of a strange, the morning was sort of flat, non-eventful. We came in. There's plenty of reasons to be skeptical, anxious, just curious about the movement in the market. Not particularly lately, but over the weekend with the news and the headlines. I don't think it has anything to do with the Tony Awards. I think it's really, so the G7, discontent, questionability, disagreements. You would think that a G7 economic meeting talking about tariffs and trade wars and whatnot, and a lot of discord going on there between our government and other governments and really kind of pissing off our allies would have some economic effect on this market or a directionality in it. In fact, it didn't. Absolutely not. Unless this sell-off at the end of the day had something to do with that, but it would take all day to get that through. Then you've got this North Korea thing going on. I don't think that really has anything to do with it because the market would tell you that if it was fearful that we were not going to get a deal or that we were going to get a deal, either way, I don't really think it has that much economic value in the marketplace whatsoever. Does it? First of all, I don't think, we've seen a lot of attempts by different leaders to talk to North Korea, and even when hands were shaken, the deals were broken off in the end. We're seeing that with a lot of things coming out of our White House at the moment, just not a consummation of situations, whether it's tariffs, whether it's trades, whether it's, nuclear stuff, although we did break off the nuclear event with Iran. But at the end of the day, I don't think the North Korea situation, unless Dennis Rodman decides to suddenly represent us and become the new head of state, which is very possible, or the security advisor. So maybe that's what's going to happen here. At the end of the day, I don't think it really matters, and the market showed us that it doesn't really care. The market rallied a bit. We had a reversal in oil, which was significant. We had a reversal in tech from trading flat in the morning, and that took the market up. I think there was a bit of a spike around the 11:30 time, curiously enough, just as Europe's closing. That is possible. That could have had an effect on it. So it rallied all afternoon, and then at the end of the day, we ended up getting some sell programs on the close, which turned out to be sort of anemic, and they pounded them. Is it a butcher job on the part of traders? I don't really know. Was it some news that came out? I really don't know. Was it the fact that, look, we've got a big week coming up. We've got huge S&P quarterly rebalance at the end of the week. We've got some Alerian index rebalances. We've got some migrations. We have a Russell where there's going to be a huge $60-something billion notional value in the market coming in and going out. Mostly, I think, coming out. We've got 17 million Apple to sell in the close on Friday. Should the posture be at this point sell side after this market's rallied back from whatever fragility we've seen over the last couple of months? You would think so, but nothing seems to sell the market down. We're holding firm here. We're 1,200 points off the high. Right? We're still at 25,300. That's significant. Transport's up 150. That's significant. With oil up. You know what? I don't know. There's just people who are picking sectors and getting in. Russell and Nasdaq are trading near all-time highs. I'm confused. And when I'm confused, I could either make up a story or I could just be honest and go, I'm kind of curious here. Right? Nothing is trading the way it should. Things that trade inversely are trading in concert. Things that trade in concert are trading inversely. Contango, I don't get it. So I ain't going to go with it. That's all I got for you today. We'll try and figure it out again tomorrow. I love you all. See you tomorrow. NYSE Einstein, Inside Verstappen, from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. Later.